Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your social studies class. Let's continue our lesson prejudice, discrimination, and inequality. And the topic which we are going to start today is striving for equality. So, let's start our today's topic. At the time of independence, many groups were fighting against discrimination and demanding they be given an equal status in society. The Dalits were fighting against the discrimination they faced from people of dominant caste. Women were demanding they be given an equal right to education as men. Poor tribals and peasants were fighting against their exploitation by rich landowners and moneylenders. Indian leaders were also concerned with the inequalities that existed in our society at that time. They considered equality and respect for diversity as necessary conditions for ensuring unity of our people. So they formulated some rules to ensure all people would be treated equally in independent India. These provisions have been included in our constitution. B.R. Ambedkar, chairperson of the drafting committee that worked on the Constitution of India, had himself faced social discrimination and fought against it. Our constitution recognizes that India is a land of many languages, religions, and cultures. In order to protect this diversity and to ensure opportunities to all citizens, the Constitution of India has granted the following fundamental rights. Let us see these fundamental rights one by one. First, right to equality. All Indians are equal before law. All citizens have equal rights and opportunities. No one can be denied justice or be ill-treated in the name of caste, community, gender, or religion. Second, right to freedom. Every Indian is free to live or travel anywhere within the country and take up any job in any part of the country. Third, right against exploitation. No Indian can be exploited or forced to do work without pay. Fourth, right to freedom of religion. Children, every Indian has the right to follow the religion of his or her choice. Fifth, cultural and educational rights. Every community has the right to preserve and promote its own language, script, and culture. Sixth, and the last one, right to constitutional remedies. This right empowers the citizens to approach a court of law in case their fundamental rights have been denied to them. Even though our constitution has set out a vision of equality for all its citizens, many inequalities continue to exist even today.